Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Clips, where learning English is fun, simple, and full of real conversations. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Michael. It's great to have you all back. So, Emily, what exciting topic are we talking about today? Please tell me it's not grammar drills again, because I forgot to bring my dictionary.
Don't worry, Michael. No grammar tests today. We're keeping it light and fun. Today's topic is something we all deal with every day: clothes. What do you like to wear?
Oh, nice. Finally, something I actually know about. Kind of. Clothes are something we can all relate to. I mean, we wear them every day, but everyone has a different style.
Exactly. Some people love fashion, others love comfort, and some, like you, Michael, probably just wear whatever's clean.
Hey, that's not true. Okay, maybe a little bit.
Before we begin, a quick reminder to all our amazing viewers. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mr. English Clips for more fun and simple English lessons.
Yes, your support really helps us keep making these conversations for you. So, Emily, let's jump right in. Tell me, what do you like to wear?
Well, that depends on my mood and the weather. At home, I love wearing leggings, soft t-shirts, and warm socks. Comfort is my number one rule. But when I go out, I like jeans, a nice blouse, or a light dress. Something simple but stylish.
That sounds nice. For me, it's pretty much the same every day. Jeans, a t-shirt, and sneakers. That's my uniform. If you see me wearing something fancy, that means I got invited to a wedding or someone forced me to look decent.
I think many people can relate to that. Some people have a whole closet full of clothes, but they always end up wearing the same two outfits.
That's totally me. I have so many shirts, but somehow I only wear my favorite three. And one of them has a little hole in the sleeve, but it's so comfortable, I can't throw it away.
I know that feeling. I have a hoodie that's so old, but I still wear it all the time. It's like a warm hug from the past.
Exactly. Clothes have memories. You wear something on a special day, and it becomes part of your story.
Yes, that's so true. I still remember the dress I wore on my first day of work. It made me feel confident, even though I was so nervous inside.
That's the power of clothes. They don't just cover you, they can actually change how you feel.
Exactly. And it's not just about looks, it's about emotion. When I wear bright colors, I feel energetic and happy. When I wear darker clothes, I feel calm and quiet.
Yeah, color really affects mood. I usually wear darker colors because they're easy to match. Black, navy, gray, those are my comfort colors.
Comfort colors. That's a good name for them. I think mine are beige, white, and light pink. Soft colors make me feel peaceful.
You definitely seem like a soft color person. I'm more like whatever doesn't need ironing.
I think half the world agrees with you on that one. Ironing is so boring.
Right? I try to buy clothes that don't wrinkle. It's one of my life goals to never use an iron again.
That's such a lazy but smart idea.
So, Emily, what do you wear when you go somewhere formal, like a meeting or an event?
Hmm. I like wearing something simple but professional, like a blazer over a white blouse and jeans or black trousers. I don't go too fancy, but I make sure I look neat.
Nice. For me, formal means wearing a clean shirt, nice pants, and maybe, if I'm feeling brave, a tie.
Brave? Why brave?
Because ties feel like they're choking me. The minute I get home, the tie comes off faster than you can say business meeting.
Oh, I know that feeling. I feel the same way with high heels. They look nice, but they hurt so much. I can't wait to take them off at the end of the day.
High heels and ties, two things that look professional but feel like torture.
Exactly. We suffer for fashion sometimes.
You know what's interesting though? Fashion keeps changing. 10 years ago, everyone wore skinny jeans. Now, baggy jeans are back.
Yes, fashion is like a circle. Everything comes back again. I saw someone wearing bell-bottom pants the other day, and I was like, wait, is it the 70s again?
That's true. I think I'll just stick with jeans. They never go out of style.
Totally agree. Jeans are the universal outfit. You can wear them anywhere, any day.
Speaking of shopping, do you like buying clothes?
I do, but not all the time. I like it when I have time to explore, touch the fabrics, and try different things. Sometimes I don't even buy anything. I just enjoy looking.
Wow. For me, shopping is like a mission. Go in, buy the first t-shirt that fits, and escape the mall as fast as possible.
You sound just like my brother. He hates shopping too. But online shopping makes it easier, right?
Kinda. But online shopping is risky. I once ordered a blue jacket, and when it arrived, it looked like a shiny green raincoat.
Oh no, that's what I call a fashion surprise. I once ordered a dress online that looked beautiful in the pictures, but when I wore it, I looked like a balloon.
A balloon. That's so funny. Yeah, sometimes the clothes look great on the model, but not in real life.
Exactly. I think we've all been there. Still, online shopping is convenient. You can browse from home, drink coffee, and imagine yourself looking fabulous.
Yeah, until the package arrives and reality hits.
True, but I still do it.
And sometimes it actually works out perfectly, so I guess it's worth the risk.
Definitely. Anyway, do you have any favorite brands or stores?
Not really. I don't care much about brands. If something feels good and fits right, I'm happy.
Same here. I prefer comfort and quality. I don't need expensive clothes. I just need clothes that make me feel good.
Exactly. You know, I've started thinking more about sustainable fashion, like reusing clothes or donating what I don't wear.
That's awesome. I do that too. I try to donate clothes every few months. It feels good knowing someone else will use them.
Yeah, and it makes your closet cleaner too.
I have so many old t-shirts that I never wear, but I keep them for no reason.
Let me guess. They have memories?
Exactly. One of them says Michael's first marathon. I didn't even finish the marathon, but hey, it's the memory that counts.
Oh, that's hilarious. You should frame that shirt, not wear it.
Good idea. A tribute to the marathon I almost finished.
You're too funny, Michael. But yes, clothes really do tell stories. Some remind us of good times, others of bad fashion choices.
Oh, yes. I still have photos from high school, baggy pants, shiny shirts. I thought I looked cool. Now I just laugh.
We all have those photos. Fashion changes, but the embarrassment stays forever.
So true.
You know, I've been thinking, clothes aren't just for humans. Even pets have them now. Have you seen dogs in little jackets?
Yes. My neighbor has a tiny dog, and it's got more outfits than I do. Little sweaters, raincoats, even sunglasses.
That's adorable. I guess pets want to be stylish too.
Or maybe the humans want to dress them up. Either way, it's funny.
Fashion is everywhere.
Exactly. And that's why it's so fun to talk about.
Anyway, to wrap it up, clothes are more than just what we wear. They're part of who we are. They make us feel confident, comfortable, and ready to face the world.
Absolutely. Whether it's your favorite hoodie, your fancy dress, or your comfy pajamas, wear what makes you happy.
Yes, and remember, your best outfit is always your smile.
Ah, that's sweet. And don't forget, wash that outfit often.
Great advice, Michael.
Thank you all for listening to us today. We hope you enjoyed this conversation and learned some new English words and expressions.
And remember, practice speaking by repeating these sentences. The more you listen and talk, the better you'll get.
Exactly. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep wearing what makes you feel awesome.
Bye, everyone. See you next time on Mr. English Clips.